Hey everyone, Alex here, back with another video. Today, it's a little bit different. No detailing content in it, but we do have detailing products. So, in front of me, I do have a P&S box, which we're gonna be unboxing. And I do have 3 additional boxes as well. Yes, this is a lot. Now, in the interest of full disclosure and telling you everything, I have been in discussion with Sydney and Keith from the P&S team. Absolutely phenomenal people. And they said, hey, we want to try and get you hooked up with some product to either refill or try. And they were able to coordinate with Carzilla and get this sent to me. So very grateful for them. Definitely stay tuned to the end. We got a little bit of a P&S surprise. And yeah, so what do you say we go ahead and unbox? Now, I was able to kind of curate a list with them on things that I was kind of looking at trying or refilling just to kind of continue in this fantastic hobby with fantastic people. So here's box number 1. I don't know what's in each box, but again, like I mentioned, I have an idea of kind of what is inside in total. So, open this bad boy up, and big shout out to Chris and the whole team at Carzilla there. So, here, to start off, I've been wanting to try this stuff out for a while. Okay, this is the P&S Pearl Shampoo. This is a 32-ounce variant. Now, you will notice that there's some either 16-32 combinations as well as gallons. Some of the same products, so very eager to try Pearl. So we're gonna sit that there. And again, spoiler alert, this table's not gonna be big enough. Then I have P&S Frostbite. I've been absolutely loving this stuff. The scent is awesome. And this was revealed at TRCMA, I believe last year, the year before. And I mean, awesome shampoo. A little bit higher on the pH scale, better for the decontamination side of things. And again, scent knocks it out of the park. So we'll set that there. And here we have a gallon of Swift for all my Swifties out there. Not the music kind, the detailing kind. Amazing product. I love this. It's a great cleaner and interior dressing, if you will. To get those looking fresh. So again, not tackling the super nasty interiors, but the light stuff, can go more than you think, to be honest, and certainly will not send you in the wrong direction. Speaking of not the wrong direction, probably one of my favorite P&S products right here. Okay, paint gloss. Okay, gives a great shine. I love her wheels. Okay, after I'm done washing, touch up the wheels, spray down, wipe the wheels down. And then, if you are vacuuming carpet, if you've been under a rock and don't know this, before you vacuum carpet, mist a little bit of this on there, gives it a bit of an anti-static situation, totally changes the game with carpeting, whether you have pet hair, dust, dirt, whatever. It certainly aids with that. Here we got some Rehab. If you haven't tried this correction cream, my goodness, it is good. Pad dependent, works as long as I do in the garage sometimes, because sometimes I'm not the most efficient. But hey, we're here to have fun, okay? It's not my day job. Just having fun, okay? P&S correcting cream, amazing. And the P&S Sidekick, okay? Interior scrubber, works great with Swift. Has a nice little pocket here. And I remember when Kyle and Sydney were introducing me to these, I told them, I said, hey, the pocket can be used to hang drying them when you're done, after you wash them. And they said, hey, that's pretty cool. Is my name on it? No, but hey, it'd be cool if it wasn't. So now we're gonna move on to box number 2. All right, so here we got box number 2. Crack this sucker open. I just set everything else to the side for now because again, like I mentioned, the table's a little bit lacking on real estate. And I will say, Carzilla packages their stuff awesome. As does every other Canadian distributor. You got TOC Supplies. Don't forget to use Bucky VW, both of those. Amazing. Who doesn't like saving money? So in here we got 4 gallons. Our first gallon is an absolute winner. I'm sorry, puns, they're my thing. P&S Absolute Rinseless Wash. You can use 256 to 1 in a rinseless. You can do a waterless, it's 64, 120 each one if you want. Clay lubricant. Roll your oyster with this stuff. And then tried and true brake buster. Okay, has an anti-corrosion inhibitor, anti-rust situation. So when you spray them down, you're not going to have that nasty bit of ruts on your rotors. Great product. Rinses really well. You can use it straight, you can use it cut. I use it in a foam cannon. Some people don't love that, but hey, awesome little product here. And then we have Iron Buster. So this is, I love Crystal Wash. I have almost a full gallon, so I don't need more. But Iron Buster is what attacks the iron particles, okay? Not the organic stuff like Crystal Wash, okay? Iron Buster, great for iron. If you have the, kind of the rust specks on a white colored vehicle, you really see them. And doesn't smell the best, but hey, she works. And then last in this box, we have the gallon of Pearl to accompany the 32 ounce there. So again, great shampoo. You can actually use this in a rinseless situation if you want. But I know that this does have a nice lemony scent. So we're going to set this stuff to the side and get on to box number 3. All right, now we're on to box number 3. So what do you say we crack this bad boy open together? So if you don't know, P&S Detail Products has been around. It's a family business since 1961. And they've been making some amazing stuff, okay? They make a professional line. They have the ready-to-oil line, all kinds of great products. And they're very easy to use. Some in a ready-to-use situation, some in a concentrated solution. So again, a few more gallons here. So to start off, we have a gallon of Dreammaker, okay? This is the best pink juice on the market, all right? This is the gloss amplifier, all right? If you're going to a car show, if you want to be the best looking car in the parking lot, you slap the sucker on here and get a absolutely amazing look. And again, if you want it as a last step product, as a drying aid situation, again, a 10-to-1 mix of bead maker, shout out to Jamie the cleaner with the clean maker. This is what this is gonna give you. And then moving on is a product I've actually wanted to try for a while, okay? This is P&S Epic Waterless Wash. Now, a lot of people spray this on as a pre-treat. Very, very good product in a waterless situation. Again, that's just spray it on, wipe it off. But again, adds a lot of lubrication. Extremely excited to try this. I don't know why I've waited this long, but I think I'm really gonna love it. Then we have Enviro-Clean, okay? This is a concentrated cleaner degreaser. So again, this is very popularly used in the chemtrail system, but you can dilute it in spray bottles, IKs, whatever you wanna do. So for the dilutions, yeah, I 4-to-1 up to 20-to-1, depending on the cleaning. So awesome little product here. And you wake up in the morning, you get dressed, then when you come home from a hard day's work, whether you're detailing with these amazing chemicals, gotta get undressed, okay? This is gonna prep your tires for whatever dressing you wanna put on them. So you get undressed and then you get dressed the next day. So slap this bad boy on here and you're gonna get awesome results with this. Again, very excited to try this. So we're gonna put this stuff away and move on to box number 4. All right, so the 4th and final box, let's crack this open. A little bit different than the boxes that hold the 4 gallons. I feel bad for the delivery guy having to deliver 4 gallons worth of product in one box. That's a bit of weight, so. Shout out to your local delivery teams. I hope you can still see me. Let me just rotate that a little bit. Move some paperwork there. Some more paperwork. Okay, so I just thought this was too cool to pass up. This is a P&S duffel bag, all right? I'm gonna be rolling in style with this bad boy. So necessary, no. Awesome, oh yeah. I could put all these products in here. How cool is that? Set that aside for now because we got a lot of goodness going. It's like Christmas. All right, so we have the P&S Reset Clay Scrubber in collaboration with the Rag Company, okay? Rag Company is the blue on blue, and this is the black on red, okay? Same product, same openings in the back to let it dry. So again, you can never have too many clay scrubbers for those decontamination instances. Then we have a bottle of Dynamic Dressing. So this is the ready-to-use version. You can use it interior, exterior, I believe. Really excited to try this, heard lots. And if you want to hear a lot about P&S, check out their bead maker and coffee. It's every second Monday, first thing in the morning. But hey, if you're not a morning person, you don't catch it, that's fine, okay? It's recorded on YouTube forever, and you can go back and watch them. Great team, great information. And here we got a bottle of Full Send. This is what TRCMA released a couple years ago in their off-road line. So there are a couple more off-road lines here in the box. So ready to use, total dressing. The smell in this, delicious, super good. Then we have your paint surface prep. So this is what you'd want to use if you're going to be applying P&S coatings. Wink, wink, okay? So you apply this on, again, very comparable to other coating situations, but again, if you want to stay in the family, definitely do so. A lot of manufacturers do recommend that. Here we got another bottle, full send. Some I have 2 bottles, some I have just 1. Here we have Pit Stop Quick Detailer, again in their off-road line. Again, the smell of the off-road products are probably some of my favorite. So again, touching up some fingerprints, water spots that are, you know, really fresh. You just want to wipe them off real quick. Again, nothing that's etched, just like, you know, if you dribble something on there, use this. Okay. Here we have another dynamic dressing. A lot of dressings today, this is fun. And here we have their carpet system. So this is their finisher peroxide treatment. So this is kind of the tail end of things to neutralize everything. And then let me dig around. We do have the Terminator enzyme and spot and stain. And then we do have the last product in here that I'll find in a minute. But hey, again, the P&S carpet system is great. You know, you go the bang, 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 and you can get us some pretty gnarly stains with that. Again, how I've waited so long to try that, I do not know. Here we have the no rub coating. So this is a spray on. So if you have something like the GLI where you have the mesh grill in the front, spray this on and it really, really gets in those nooks and crannies when you can't use a brush or a finger or an applicator or anything like that. So I do have 2 of those. Okay. Here we have Cockpit, the interior cleaner. So this is a little bit more aggressive, foams a bit more than Xpress. Again, for the off-road line, if you're doing nasty off-road stuff, and gives you the ability to clean all kinds of interiors or off-road stuff if that's what you're into. Here we have the carpet bomber. So here's the 3rd portion of the carpet system. So again, carpet upholstery cleaner, awesome tools to you know, to have in your lineup, because if you're doing carpet and really, really nasty stuff, you want to be able to, you know, knock out the system, if you will. You know, again, you don't have to use all 3, but you do want to kind of go ahead, start with 1, go on to the next. You do finish with finisher. I will put in the notes here. I always get Terminator and carpet bomber mixed up about which one goes first, but you can't go wrong with either for sure. But you do want to have the system ideally just in case. So here we have Mud Buster. Okay, so if you have nasty wheel wells, you know, a lot of mud, that kind of thing, this is a great cleaner for that. Really attacks all of that. Breaks it down before spraying it off. You know, so you want to apply this on really dirty surfaces and then pressure wash it off to prevent any damage there. And here we have a product that I've been wanting to try for a very long time. Now, glass nowadays really can't be corrected, but it can be cleaned greatly with Clarity Cream. Okay, this is a glass polish. So right on the front, basically just remove water spots and you know, prep it for coating if you want to be prepping your glass front, back, side, rear. Very excited to try this, and a little bit goes a long way. So again, another bottle of Mud Buster here. Another bottle of the paint coating surface prep. Then we have the smaller bottle of the Epic Waterless Wash. And again, very excited to try this. If you are in a water constrained area, this is what you want. Okay, if you're not using absolute, that sort of thing. All right, so we got a whole stack of sprayers. Who doesn't love sprayers? I certainly do. And then the last, and then we do have some branded bottles as well. So we have an Absolute bottle here. We have the Brake Buster bottle here. We have the Iron Remover. And finally, we have the Dream Maker. So again, nice to have these additional bottles for mixing these products in, especially if you purchase the gallons or if you want to do dilutions. And the pièce de résistance. The last bit in this, we have the Inspiration ceramic coating. Okay, so again, use a surface prep, crack this bad boy open, and it's a 9H 30 mil, very standard for the coating sizes. Again, you can use paint, wheels, and trim. It's really safe for that. Great little coating option here for the Inspiration line. And then we also have Soul. Okay, so Soul, again, 9H. This is a 100 milliliter bottle, and this is kind of a yearly coating, so won't last as long as Inspiration, but a great coating nonetheless. So yeah, so that's everything I have in the box. I have no idea what I did to deserve all of this, but I am extremely thankful for the amazing team over at P&S. We have Sydney, Keith, and many, many more. Bob and Dave are fantastic people as well. So if you are interested, the big news is at P&S Detail Products, I do have Bucky VW to save you a whopping 10% on any purchases down there. So if you are in the US, definitely go over and do so. Now, I'm gonna shut off my dehumidifier. Hang on. Okay, so shut the dehumidifier off. Gotta love background noise, hey? So, like I said, amazing support from the P&S team. Definitely go over there, use BuckyBW for 10% off. And if you are up in Canada, make sure you check out Carzilla.ca and TOC Supplies that carry many of these products. And at both of those, BuckyBW will save you 5 and 10% respectively. So stay tuned to videos. I am sure to be knocking out the cars in the fall and winter season with many of these products. Very excited to try them out. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Drop a like, subscribe if that's what you're into, and we'll see you in the next